Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video I will love share a beautiful idea for your holiday viewers. Princess Patrice fashion icon style. Viewers, Princess Patrice. She is very gorgeous and beautiful lady and amazing outfits. Ideas, friends. So friends, Princess Beatrice's fashion is elegant and timeless. She loves classical dresses, soft colors, and graceful details. Her outfits always feel polished, yet warm and approachable. Modern with traditional, her style blend modern fashion with royal traditional floral prints, checkers, and stylish hat are her signature. Every outfit show confidence, charm, viewers, and daytime dress. For daytime events, she often chooses light set dresses, pastel shades, and soft fabric. It gives her a fresh and graceful look, perfect for royal appearance. Evening elegance. At evening events, Princess Beatrice wears gowns that are classical but glamorous. Long flowing fabric, event necklines, and spark makes her style shine. Personal touch. Her fashion is not only royal, it is a personal. She often adds unique accessories from statement hats to delicate jewelry. This makes her style charming, individual, and unforgettable. And the viewers, Princess Beatrice bold color. Princess Beatrice is not afraid of bold colors. She often wears bright blue, green, and rich purple. These shades make her style lively and full of personality. Signature hats. Hats are a signature part of her fashion. From elegant fences to creative headpieces, she makes them look stylish and royal. Checkered and scalded season, Princess Beatrice shine in checkers. Classical cuts, clean lines, and fine fabric give her a smart and polished look. Floor dresses. Floor dresses are one of her favorites. They are soft, feminine, and perfect for daytime events. It shows her love for fresh, cheerful fashion. Timeless elegance. Her style is timeless. She chooses dresses and gowns that will look beautiful for years, not just for one season. That is charm of true royal fashion. Wears glamorous evening look. One, the red carpet. Princess Beatrice wear gowns that spark with elegance. She pairs them with soft makeup and classical jewelry, creating a look that is both glamorous and refined. Mixing high and low, mixing her fashion after mix designers pieces with their more affordable brands. It makes her style feel real, relatable, and still very chic. Viewers and